Do you want to learn how to add products from Alibaba to Shopify? Well, you've come to the right video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the exact steps to achieve this. However, please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid any mistakes in the process. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm currently on my Shopify dashboard where I manage my online store. To begin, navigate to the Apps section. Once you're there, a search bar will appear, and click on the recommended app. You can also access the Shopify App Store at the bottom of this page. Upon entering the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to find the Dropshipping Alibaba official app, developed by Alibaba. Click on Install, then select Install in the upper right corner. This action will direct you to the Alibaba login page. If you already have an account, log in. Otherwise, click on Join for free to sign up. Fill in all the required details. Note, I'm using a temporary email for demonstration purposes. Once you've filled in your details, click on Continue. Now that you're on the Alibaba dropshipping page, search for the product you wish to add. Let's say, for example, that I'm interested in this product. To add it, click on Add to Import List for each desired product. Once you've created the import list, go to the Import List section on the left-hand menu. Here, select the option that says Push to Store. However, before doing that, click on Edit Product to customize details such as the product name, titles, description, variants, and images. Choose the collection you want to add the product to within your Shopify store. Afterward, click on Push to Store. Repeat this process for all the products you want to add. Now, the products will begin to push to your store. Once they're added, return to your store's dashboard. Click on the Products section to verify that the products have been added successfully. As you can see, all the products have been added to your store. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.